Yes! 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 Oh my god, it's over! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! No way! No way! I actually beat it! Oh, I'm so nervous. Let's go, bro! Finally! I'm so glad I didn't die at 95. I didn't die at 90 either, which is good. Oh my goodness, bro. Let's go. This is definitely extreme, man. This level is so unbalanced, though. I'm just gonna say it. Yes, dude. Let's go. Okay. In my opinion, I'm gonna just say this real quickly. This level is definitely harder than Bloodbath. It just feels harder than Bloodbath. I'm gonna move my mic up. This level just feels a bit harder, in my opinion. Alright, I'm gonna just count the attempts. 1, 4, 3, 3, plus 2, 2, 9, 9. That took 3,732 attempts. Yeah. Okay, I beat this.